Yeah, we'll try some words. Can you read it? I think this will be the best exercise to learn the alphabets. Instead of going home and trying to memorize it, just try to recollect it. Aloho. So here is another rule. Instead of learning each rule separately, when Olaf is followed by Lomat, what happens to the Olaf? Olaf takes the shape of Lomat. Just lean towards the Lomat. Somewhere you will find written like this also. It's not a universal rule. In some scripts you will find written like this, and somewhere like this also. Okay, so just keep it in mind. Olaf can take the shape of Lomat. Okay, then another very famous read it. What is this? What? Yod. Yod can be connected to both sides. So this is Ya, and this one Sha, Sheen. It can be connected to both sides, and then Wow. Wow can be connected towards the right only, and this one is no. Exactly. So, and what sound is this vowel? A. U. So, Ye, Yeshu. So, Yeshua. But here this sound is silent. Yeshu. Yeshu. Jesus.
And the first one means
God. God, Yeshu, Jesus. Okay, can you try identifying this word? What is this? The, and this one Ra. Both are closely similar words. So a dot on the top is Ra, dot on the below is Da. So one is Da and we followed by Yo, yod and another dolat. Dolat, final dolat will be written like this. So it is da, vi, David, David. So now here we are coming across another small rule in Syriac language. Not always, but in most cases, an E vowel is followed by a yod. 90% E vowel will be followed by a yod. And it's the same here also. In the case of U, it will be followed by a vav. Okay? But that doesn't mean every time an U should be followed by vav or an E should be followed by yod. Here is another example. Metul. Here we don't find the vav. Here, even though we have an U sound here, it's not followed by a vav.
What's that one?
Which one?
Metul.
Metul meaning because of. Do you have that word in Arabic?
Salu alay metul. No.
See, that's why.
In Arabic, no, not the same way.
Okay. Try this one. Odom. What's that in English? It's a proper name. Adam. Yeah. Can you guess it? Close. This one? He. Ha. Ha. Wo. Ha wo. Who should be that? This is his wife. Eve. Hawa. Eve. Hawo. Yeah, you're close. Try. Ma. Mar. Yeah.
Yeah.
This one is yeah. Yeah with a vowel. So it should be read as ya. Ma. Maryam. Maryam. Mary. You're Maria. Mariana. Mariana. Okay. Okay. So this is the final form of meme, as we learned earlier. Initial form, and this is the final or middle form of reach. Okay, shall I erase it? Now, another important thing we have to learn about Syriac is the gender. Just like English, masculine and feminine. Genders are there. An easy way to identify a masculine from a feminine is the masculine words will end in O sound. Abo, can you read this one? Ktobo. This O sound is for tau. Kto. Father. This one is book. Ktobo, kitab. Read this one. Ma, la, ka, ko, olaf. Mal, malko. meaning king. In most cases, we can make the feminine of this like adding a tau, malk to, in many cases. Okay, this is the feminine of malko, malk to. So that should be queen. But here that's not the case. Abo is, the feminine is emo. So this rule is not hard and fast. That means we have a different word here, emo, mother. Another case is aho. Here is hotho. This is brother. Sister. So the identifying factor, if you find a to sound, it should be a feminine word in most cases. Are you able to write it down? Following what I am writing, okay? Right? Okay, we'll try some more words, some more nouns. Can you read it? Meaning is wise. Ha, ki. See the yod. Mo. Just notice one thing. If the height of this yod goes a little more, it will change it into na. So be careful while you write ya and na. Ya is just a small mark and na will go up till the height of other alphabets. Okay, so this is hakimo. Hakimo means a wise person. So what should be the feminine of it? Hakim to. Exactly. Just add a tav olaf to it. Hakim to. What is this? I came across that word just before. Kadisho. Holy. So, what shall I write here? Kartishto. So we'll come across many of these examples later, just a beginning of it. Now we'll move on to the adjectives. Ruho Kadisho. Holy Spirit. So the word order is just the opposite of English. This is the noun. And the adjective. The adjective follows the noun. In English, the adjective comes before the noun, but in Syriac as well as in all Semitic languages, the adjective follows the noun, and it should be in perfect accordance with the noun in gender, number and person. Gender, number and person. So here the gender is masculine, and the adjective also should be masculine. Kadisho. Some cases the ruho, the spirit, is considered as feminine also. So you will find ruho kadishto also somewhere written in the liturgical text. Just for learning purpose, at present we'll consider ruho as masculine, ruho kadisho. Okay. Okay, now let's take another example. What is this word? Learned it just now. Malko. Is it a noun or an adjective? Okay, it's a noun. Is it masculine or feminine? Masculine. Singular or, okay, you didn't learn the numbers, so it is singular. Just one king. And how do you make it a feminine? Malkto. Can you read this? To-bo. Meaning good. So if you want to write a good king, what would you do? Malko Tobo. Exactly. What would be a good queen? Malkto Tobuto. Do you agree with that, Jim? And Mariana, how do you write a good queen?
So Malkuto, Malkuto Tobuto.
Malkto Tobto. So when you add an adjective to a noun, if that noun is masculine, the adjective should also be masculine, and if it's a feminine, the adjective should also be feminine. That means perfect accordance. Perfect accord should be there with the noun and adjective. let's try another example. What is this? Hakimo. And what does that mean? Wise. Okay. What does that mean? Can you read that? Bro Hakimo. What is the meaning of bro? Eh?
Wise son.
Wise son. Son. So this means wise son. What will be the word for wise daughter? Yeah, that part is correct. I don't think I gave you the word for daughter. Okay, just try according to the rules we have learned. It is, yeah, almost close to that, but it is, the rule is just adding a to. When it's not broto, it is barto. Bartho. These are slight exceptions. Bartho, Hakimto. So here it is masculine, is feminine, feminine singular, masculine singular. Can you read this word? Mal po or fo? No. Malfono or malpono, meaning teacher. And the feminine is malponito, not just malpoto, not just malponto. It's a little hard if you say malponto. That's why that youth is added in between that. Some semantic phonetic rules. Malponito. And if it's a good male teacher, what should be the word? Malpono tobo. And female teacher, malponito tobuto. Exactly. Okay, now shall I continue? Or is it too much?
Can we do the plurals?
Yeah, I was going to do that plurals. Is it okay? You read this? Shliho. Exactly. Meaning? Apostle, or the exact meaning is the one who is sent. Shlach means to send. Just you can learn it as the apostle. Shliho. So in order to get a plural out of a noun, which way we have to slightly change the structure into the sound will change from O to A. Shliho will be changed to Shlihe. And this diacritical point will be added. This will be the indicator of the plural. So even if we don't find these vowels, it clearly indicates that this word is a plural. Okay, this sayame, or the diacritical point, is 2 dots, says that this word is a plural and it should be written read as Shlihe. How would you write then holy apostles? What is the word for holy? Yeah, you're right. Kadisho. Kadisho. How would you make that plural?
Shlihe Kadishe.
Exactly. Kadisho will become Kadishe. So just look here. Shlihe, this one is okay. You have that word. And correct me. How would you vocalize it? Ka, di, she, then anything else to do? The diacritical 2 dots, ka, di, she. Never put the diacritical points over dolad. What will happen if you put the diacritical points?
It becomes resh.
Resh. Okay, so if in most cases we put these 2 dots somewhere in the middle of the word, but if a dalat is there in the middle, just move it to either side of it. And if a resh or rish is present, how would you make it? Just add 1 more dot to rish and that word will become plural. Okay, Shlihe Kadishe. Let me find another. Can you read this one? Over to you. This is ta. Tal mi talmido. Talmido, student. What is this? Bisho. Meaning?
Evil.
Evil. Yeah. Evil student. How would you write? How would you write evil student?
In plural?
No, no.
Or is there-
Just a singular. Evil student. Talmido Bisho. And what about the plural of it? Talmide Bishe. Okay. And now this is the plural form of the masculine nouns. Okay. Now let's look the plurals of the feminine. Did you write it down? Did you get that one? Okay.
When you change it, tell me there, would you have an alif at olaf at the end?
Yeah,
Yeah, okay.
you'll have it.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Okay.
There are not much examples of the feminine words here. Let me find a simple one.
We'll take a break.
Yeah.
Or
Yeah, yeah, right.